Dating kasi nga itong sinabi ni Sec Vince Dizon na i-recompute nila, hindi ba? Yung kanilang cost of materials. So, we're waiting for that because that will now give us an idea ano yung magiging actual na cost dito sa instead of a full restoration ng budget na hinihinga, yung restoration based on kung ano yung overprice. So if it's a reenacted budget na kumbaga, pero maipapasa din after maybe a month, end of January, I think I can live with that more than itong ipipilit natin pero may mga overprice, may mga datos na hindi natin maipapaliwanag. So, yun ang, yeah, that's my answer.
So you're leaning towards
reenacted budget na maipapasa yung 2026 budget dahil na delay by end of January, di ba? I think it's something more acceptable than passing a budget na alam natin na inamin na may overprice.
Hanggang kailan yung accept?
Yun nga sinabi ko paano natin, bakit tayo papayag na sinabi ng overpriced, pinabawas na nga dahil overpriced, tapos ngayon gustong ibalik yung same budget na inamin na overpriced. So, kumbaga, pwede nang sampahan ng, sabi ko, baka kami na ang susunod na patawag ng ICI tsaka ng dahil may paliwanag bakit yung overpriced tinuloy pa rin natin. So, dapat maingat.
Sir, yung